Hi, I welcome you all for this video. I am K. Lakshmanan, Assistant Professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, I am going to explain about proxy server in web technology. So, proxy server is an intermediate server between client and the internet. It acts as a gateway, forwarding requests from client to the destination server and then returning to the server's response back to the client. So, proxy servers allow to hide, conceal, and make your data ID anonymous by hiding your IP address. So now we will discuss about the functionalities of proxy server. So first we are going to discuss about firewall and network data filtering. So a firewall acts as a barrier between a trusted network and an untrusted network. Proxy servers with firewall capabilities can perform several critical security functions like packet filtering, application layer filtering, intrusion detection, and prevention. Next, network data filtering. So, proxy servers can filter data to enforce security policies and prevent unauthorized access. Network connection and sharing. So, network connection sharing allows multiple devices to access internet through a single internet connection. Proxy provides this by acting as an intermediary for all connected devices. It provides single IP address and it manages the bandwidth, balance the load, it is cost effective, it is simplified network management, and it gives improved performance. Next, we will see the another functionality, data caching. Data caching involves storing frequently accessed data on a proxy server to reduce latency and improve load times for users. It gives web caching, DNS caching, application caching, and other caching. So the benefits of data caching is reduced latency, bandwidth saving, and improved user experience. Next, we will see the purpose of proxy servers. First, monitoring and filtering, then improving performance, translation, accessing services anonymously, and finally security. Monitoring and filtering. It provides active monitoring and content filtering. So proxy servers allows us to do several kind of filtering like content filtering, bypass filters, filters encrypted data. Then next we discuss about performance improving. So it fastens the service by process of retrieving content from the cache which was saved when previous requests were made by the client. Next, translation. It helps to customize the source site for local users by excluding source content or substituting source content with original local content. Next, accessing services anonymously. In this, the destination server receives the request from the anonymous proxy server and it does not receive information about the end user. So, the proxy server hides the user IP address and replaces it with the proxy server's IP address, providing anonymity. Next, geolocation spoofing is one of the functionality of proxy server. It allows users to appear as if they are accessing the internet from a different location, bypassing geographic restrictions. Okay, next we will discuss about security. So proxy server hides the identity of the user, hence it protects from spam and hacker attacks. It gives encryption, firewall capabilities, and malware protection. Okay. Next, we will discuss about types of Proxies. Proxies comes in various types, each serving different purposes and offering distinct features. Below are the primary types of proxies. So first one, forward proxies. In this, the client requests its internal network server to forward to the internet. So it acts as an intermediary between client devices and the internet. It forwards client requests to the internet and returns the response from the clients. Next, open proxy. So it hides the client IP address but may disclose that a proxy is being used. It provides a certain level of anonymity of the user. It helps the clients to conceal their IP address while browsing the website. So next, reverse proxy. So it sits on front of the web server and forwards the client requests to the appropriate backend server. So it balances the load among the multiple servers and catches content to improve performance. Next, we are going to see about architecture of proxy server. It is a multi-layer architecture. Now we will discuss one by one layers, one by one. Okay. So first layer is proxy user interface. This module controls and manages the user interface and provides an easy to use graphical interface window and a menu to the end user. Next, the menu offers the following functionalities: start proxy, stop proxy, exit, blocking URL, blocking client, manage log, manage cache, and modifying the configuration. So, next we will see the second layer, proxy server listener. So it is the port where new requests from the client browser is listened. So this module also performs blocking of clients from the list given by the user. So this is called proxy server listener. Next we will discuss about connection manager. It contains the main functionality of the proxy server. It performs the functions like read request from header of the client, parse the URL and determine whether the URL is blocked or not, generate connection to the web server, read the reply from the web server. If no copy of page is found in the cache, then download the page from the web server, else will check it last modified date from the reply header and accordingly will read from the cache or serve from the web. Then it will also check whether caching is allowed or not and accompanying will catch the page. So this is called connection manager. Next we will discuss about cache manager. So this module is responsible for storing, deleting, clearing and searching the web pages in the cache. And then next layer is log manager. This module is responsible for viewing, clearing and updating the logs. Finally, the configuration layer. This module helps to create configuration setting which in turn let other modules to perform desired configurations such as caching. So these are all the layers in proxy server architecture. So before concluding, we will recap the contents. Proxy server architecture plays a crucial role in determining how effectively a proxy server can manage, filter, and route network traffic. By understanding the key components and workflow of a proxy server, organizations can better design and implement proxy solutions tailor made to their specific needs, whether for enhancing security, improving performance, ensuring anonymity, or managing network access. Okay, thank you all.